Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to another Enso Demo Bite. Today we're going to talk about affiliate links, local services, and how you can generate more income from third-party apps. Really simple. In Enso Connect, we have a full library of different apps that you can connect, from guided bike tours, ordering alcohol with Drizzly, to getting a taxi, even Uber rides, you name it. Super simple. You can go ahead and select one of the local services that you want to enable in your boarding pass, and then simply click it one more time to change it to your own referral link. You can apply this for a listing group, all of your listings, or maybe just a specific property. And of course, if we're missing any local services, feel free to reach out to us. We do bring them back on every 30 days. We add more and more to this library. So always happy to learn more about new services that are out there that you want to provide to really make the experience seamless for your guests. Thank you so much for listening.